Hey, what's going on guys, my name is Fahad. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful skewed card effect using Elementor page builder. You can use it as an individual card, or if you want you can use it as multi cards on a single section. And I will show you how to create this beautiful skewed card effect using Elementor page builder. So without further ado, let's now go inside Elementor page builder. Alright, so let's first take a section. And here I'm taking a 3-column structure. First, let's make its height to minimum height, and I'm setting its height to 100 VH. Now let's give it a background color. So from here, background type, I'm selecting a global color. So I'm selecting black blue color. Perfect. So now first I will create the skewed card inside this middle column. So first I'm selecting this middle column, and here I will be adding some padding first. So go under Advanced tab, and let's give it 30 pixel of padding. Now inside this middle column, I want to add an inner section. So click on this plus icon, and here I'm dragging an inner section inside this middle column. So first here I'm removing one column from inside this inner section. So here inside our inner section, we have got only one column. Alright, now inside this column, I'm here adding a heading widget here, and I want it to say 01. Let's make the alignment to centered. Now do a bit of styling from here. So first I'm making the text color to an off-white color. Now do some typography from here. Let's just make the font size to 142 pixel. Now underneath this heading widget, now click on the Rubik's Cube icon. I just wanna drag an text editor widget here, and here I'm just pasting some dummy text. Now let's do some styling. First I'm making the alignment to centered, and let's make the text color here a bit off-white like this. And now do some style with this column. So I'm selecting this column. First of all, I wanna make this background color as the same background color of this section. So let's go under Style tab. Here background type, let's make its background color to the global black blue color. And I just wanna add some spacing. So go under Advanced tab. Now unbind the padding of this column. By the way, just to make sure, this is the column inside the inner section. So we are adding the spacing with the column that's inside the inner section. Alright, so first on the top I'm adding 40 pixel. On the left and right I'm adding 30 pixel. And on bottom I'm adding 20 pixel of padding. Alright, we have done all the markup, our layout. Now we need to add some custom CSS. So to do that, first let's select the inner section by clicking on the 6 dots. Go under its Advanced tab, and from here let's open the custom CSS option. By the way, you will only get the custom CSS option if you use Elementor Pro. I will put the Elementor Pro purchase link in the description. If you don't have Elementor Pro already, you can get that from the description link. Alright, now we need to put some custom CSS inside this custom CSS field. But no worries, because I already have written the custom CSS code for you. You just need to go to jimfahaddigital.com. I will also put this page's link in the description. From that page, if you scroll down a bit, here you can see the skewed effect CSS. From there, just copy this whole CSS snippet. So I'm copying this CSS snippet, and let's now go inside Elementor page builder and paste the CSS inside this custom CSS field. Boom, here we go. And you don't need to do anything with this custom CSS because I already have made all these changeable colors as variable. So let's say if you wanna just change these colors, because of course you may wanna use another color, or if your website's background color is white, on that case you want to use here darker color than this. So basically I have made this using linear gradient colors. So here it's basically the blend of 3 colors. If you want to play with these colors, you can change these hex codes to other color codes. For example, I'm changing the first grade 1, that means the gradient 1 color. For example, I put here FFF. You see here on the bottom right, this color is become white, but I don't want that, so I'm pressing Command Z. Also, let's say if you wanna change the gradient 3 color, so from here, instead of this one, if you put FF0000, you see it became red color again. But I don't want here this red color, I want here that purple color. So here I'm pasting the purple color code again. Alright, so we have already made our skewed card, and now I wanna add that blur effect behind this card. So to do that, again go to jimfahaddigital.com, then underneath this snippet, if we scroll down here, you can see skewed blur effect CSS. So I'm just copying this CSS snippet from here, and let's go back to Elementor page builder. Now from left, let's scroll down the custom CSS. Now just after our existing CSS here, just put enter a couple times to make some spaces, and let's paste the CSS snippet we have just copied, and boom, here you can see some nice blur effect behind this card. And right now we have no hover effect with this card, so if you want to apply some hover effect with this card, you can do that. To do that, let's just go again to jimfahaddigital.com, and from here if you scroll down a bit, here you can see skewed hover effect CSS. So I'm just copying the CSS snippet from here, and let's go back to Elementor page builder. Now right after our existing CSS snippet, here again enter a couple more time to create some spaces, and let's paste the CSS snippet here. If we now hover over on our card, you see the background skewed colors reverse. It looks really cool to me. Alright, so if you are happy with it, you can keep it like this. And then let's say if you wanna make 3 cards, then you can just duplicate this whole column. Remember, you shouldn't duplicate this inner column. You need to duplicate the most outer column, this one. So let's just duplicate this one. Also, let's duplicate it one more time. And here I'm just removing these empty columns from left. Also, let's delete the empty right column from here. So now we have got here 3 columns or our 3 cards. So first let's keep it 1, and this one I'm making it 2, and let's make the third one to number 3. And if you want to see it on live website, to preview it, just click here on this eyeball icon. Just click here. Now on the live preview website, this looks really cool. I really like it. And one last thing, just I wanna check from inside Elementor page builder, that's the responsiveness of these cards. So to check it, let's first click here on this responsive mode icon. First of all, I wanna check it on tablet device, so click on the tablet device icon. On tablet device, they look really great, but I just wanna reduce these numbers font size. So let's click here, and only for tablet device, I'm making the font size to 100 pixel. Let's do the same with this also. Right click here, let's copy it, and I'm just pasting style on the 2. So click here on paste style. Also the third text here, just right click here and click on paste style. Now all these 3 cards looks great on tablet device, and let's now have a look how this looks on mobile device. So from top, let's click here on this mobile icon. So this looks really great on mobile device. I really like it. Alright, let's now close the responsive mode. And when you are happy with it, just click here on this green update button to save your work. I hope you have learned something new today. If you like it, please give this video a big thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Also press on that bell icon to get notified before anyone whenever I will upload a new video on this YouTube channel. And if you want me to help you on your WordPress project or Elementor project, then you can contact me through my website, that's jimfahaddigital.com. I will try my best to help you personally. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you on the next video. For now, bye bye.